Mock exam number 3 for the chapter on basic Excel. So we have a very easy mock exam to let us to be able to go back to the basics to review those. So first, let's of course interpret what we have here. We see a few names and their salaries, sales amount, and commission. Here we have 2%. Based on the instruction, the 2% is the percentage for the commission. And the total salary should be the base salary plus the commission. And we also have a list of different simple functions like total, average, highest, lowest, and count. Basically, it tells you which function to use already. So we need to replace all these plus signs with formulas, and these formulas should be able to drag downwards or horizontally to cover the axis. Let's first have a look at the commission. The commission is based on the sales amount and the percentage. Since we're gonna move it downwards and the percentage we want to let it stay there, we will lock it by the row. Okay, that's it. And the total salary equals to the base salary plus the commission. That's simple, and we don't need to log any cell. And for total, when you see such keywords, you should know we are using the function sum, and we are calculating the total of everything above and move it horizontally to cover all. Very simple. So the next one, average. Apparently we can use average or sum divided by COUNTIF, but that one is too complex, so we just choose average. Same range, and we covered them all. Oh, we have more decimals than we needed. Let's see what's illustrated on the screenshot of the syllabus. We only leave 2 decimals, so let's fix that. Okay, 2 decimals. Perfect. Highest, that means the largest number, and when you talk about largest, it should be max function. And here we go, cover the same range. The maximum is 2000 among this range. That's correct. And let's cover everything else. And lowest is minimum, same range, and drag it horizontally. And count, so how many values are there? Did we miss anything? Apparently not when we have a small table, but when you have a larger table, it's easier to see whether if we missed a person's salary or not. It's probably one mistake in a large table, but to that person who is about to receive a salary, that means probably everything. So let's use the count function and cover them all. Okay. Very simple exercise. I hope this one can remind you of those basic functions, and I will see you in the next video.